After 70, something strange happens. You wake up one morning and realize the phone hasn't rung in days. The house is quieter, the mailbox emptier, the calendar blank. It is not that people are cruel. It is just that time has moved on. Friends have passed away, children have moved far, and you are left with yourself. But here's the truth. Being alone does not mean being lonely, and happiness is still possible. Today, I want to share 3 real-life guides from older adults who rebuilt joy, even with no friends left, because life after 70 is not over. It is deeper. Let us begin. Henry lost his wife at 71 and outlived all 5 of his childhood friends. At first, he said the silence was unbearable. But one morning, he began treating his routine like a purpose. Wake at 6, walk at 6:30, water the garden, eat breakfast at 8. He volunteered at the library on Mondays and wrote letters to his grandchildren on Thursdays. He became his own schedule, not a slave to waiting for company. Research from the University of Michigan shows that seniors with structured daily routines have significantly lower rates of depression and cognitive decline. Philosopher Epictetus once said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Henry mastered his day, and in doing so, he found freedom. Maria was 76, living alone in a retirement apartment. Her friends were gone, but she made a decision. Every morning she would greet at least 3 strangers: grocery clerk, park walker, bus driver. Not deep conversations, just human contact. Within 3 months, she had 5 new regulars, people who smiled back, asked her how she was, and shared small life moments. According to Harvard's aging study, micro-connections, short, repeated social interactions, are just as powerful for emotional well-being as deep friendships. Philosopher Simone Weil said, "Attention is the rarest and purest form of generosity." Maria gave attention, and slowly, she received warmth in return. Charles had no one left his age. His children were busy, his siblings long gone. But he found an app where retired professionals could mentor youth online. He became a mentor to 3 young men, all 20-something, and taught them about finance, family, and fear. He said, "I stopped chasing friendship. I started creating legacy." The Stanford Center on Longevity found that seniors who mentor or guide younger people report 42% higher life satisfaction and a stronger sense of purpose. Philosopher Leo Tolstoy once said, "The sole meaning of life is to serve humanity." Charles gave his wisdom away, and in return, he gained joy. So, my friend, if you have no friends left, know this: you are not broken. You are simply at a chapter that demands new meaning. Like Henry, structure your day until it sings. Like Maria, speak to strangers until they feel familiar. Like Charles, give away your wisdom until someone carries it forward. As author Anne Lamott once wrote, "Joy is not made, it is found between the cracks of the ordinary." You are still worthy of joy, even if no one knocks on your door. Subscribe if this message sat quietly in your heart. Comment below. What moment of solitude taught you the most about life? Until we meet again, be kind to your quiet, because in that silence, you may find the loudest form of peace.